Hi all, let me start by asking you a question. Have you ever tried connecting a new smart TV or a friend's laptop to your Wi-Fi network but you can't remember the password? It's a real pain, I know. This quick simple tutorial will guide you step by step on how to view your Wi-Fi password. And as a network engineer working in IT for 26 years, you're in safe hands. So let's get started. First, what we want to do from the desktop is go down to the bottom left and start and access control panel. So we can do that by typing control panel and click control panel. Once in control panel, you should hopefully have the category view, which we can see here. If you're in the list view, it's easy just to come back to the category view. So come back to here, select category. Then in network and internet, we want to go in the network sharing center and click view status and tasks. In here, you'll see we've got two adapters. The bottom one here is the actual LAN adapter, so the wired connection, and the wireless connection is up here. So we can see that the SSID is here and obviously connected to the internet. So under connections, you want to click on Wi-Fi. Now we're in the Wi-Fi settings or status page. We can now click on Wi-Fi properties. In here, we want to select the security tab. And here you can actually see the network security key, or as some people refer to it as the network password. So all we need to do is check the box show characters, and then we can actually view the actual password. Now, I would say for this video, I did use the made up the actual testing password here. It's not something I would recommend to use. You want to use a mixture of letters, numbers, characters, and have a long security key. But just for testing, obviously I use this one for today for the video. Okay, so that's how simple it is to view your password in Windows 10 for your wireless. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.